What's up, guys? Today is July 30th, Thursday. 3 trades, 3 wins, and stick around and find out how I did it. So coming into the market, I'm seeing this VWAP in the middle, and we're in 50% of the range of the New York AM session range, and I long on this rejection. Now keep in mind, today I'm going to go light, 1 to 2 micros per trade. Why? Because overnight the market just went straight up, no pullbacks. A lot of people are waiting for a deeper retracement to long. As a momentum scalper, which I'm considered as a momentum scalper, I can trade. I love trading trends, but I could also trade reversals. I could trade anything in the market as long as the market is moving. So right here, my long plays out. This is the second trade. I noticed that the target is that blue dotted line. We're moving up towards it. That blue dotted line is yesterday's high. I'm also measuring how much 1 micro would be if I'm just targeting the high. And I think I'm about to take a long here. And I'm anticipating that this candle should blast to the high, just 1 candle, because of the momentum. So I put a tight stop loss. I take a look at ES. I remember ES kind of has a wick going down and it spooked me, and I closed this trade in profit. So I'm about to switch the screen. See that wick? Yep. Close the profit. This is the third trade. As you can see, the previous trade works out. It takes the high, but I don't let it bother me. I just move on. So here it looks like price is just trying really hard to just go straight for yesterday's high. So I take a long at the break of the swing. So anytime you take anything at a swing, or when price hits a swing, there's always a reaction. There might be a short pullback, there might be a long pullback. This pullback could have easily just went straight to my stop loss, but because of the momentum, I just take a risk. I feel like it's not gonna pull back that much, so I leave my stop where it is. As I'm watching price come down, a lot of things are going through my head, but I'm just gonna hold. I have confidence. I mean, if it hits it, then it hits it. Then I re-enter, I guess. But I know where target is. How are we going to get there is basically what I'm trying to determine. And as price is just stalling here, I'm just watching ES, watching NQ. ES doesn't look like it's falling. NQ looks like it's holding, so I'm quite confident. But as it gets closer to my stop loss, obviously I'm panicking. But as it comes up back to my BE, I have more confidence in the trade. Let's see. You're gonna want to stick around and watch how I manage this, because I add in later, and I'll tell you why. So as it's coming up here, I don't add in right away. Still watching. So right here, if it hits TP, then it hits TP. Then I just make whatever 1 micro is. But as it retraces down, that's when I add in, because there so often when price is about to hit targets, it always struggles because there's a lot of people taking profits before the target. That's why anytime you're trying to get closer and closer, you always expect a pullback, and this was the pullback. So I add here, and it was like almost a perfect add, because as you see, once I add, it flips into a hammer candle, which is a candle with a long wick on the bottom and a small body on the top. So once it starts flipping and I switch to ES and it also flipping, that's when I have super confidence that this trade is going to hit my TP. So as it's getting closer and closer, I move my stop loss to break even. And you're gonna see me move the stop loss down here, and you're probably wondering why. It's because I'm afraid that sometimes what price does is it gets really close, like 1 to 2 ticks, and then it retraces, and the retracement is usually bigger than normal. So I'm trying to give it room for the retracement, but it looks like price is flipping back up, and I hit TP right about here. Yep, that's it. And those are my 3 trades. So today I ended with each account 290. And yeah, if you like the content I put out every day, make sure to like and subscribe, follow me, and thanks for watching.